Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to get official Windows the 10th of October 2018 updates. Copy the URL from description and paste it into browser. Click Update Now. Double-click the downloaded file. Click Start button, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Restart Now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.